wherever you are in the world.
Yeah, man. Welcome back.
And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, sir. You know the vibes.
You know what to do.
Yeah, man.
So, guys, today we're going to go for just a little ride. It's Sunday here.
Yeah.
And we're just going to go for a little ride, little island in the back, sleeping.
Yeah.
And basically, hang on, I'm driving, so, you know, gotta be safe. Yeah, so we're just going to go to Nimbin for starters and then hopefully go and catch a waterfall after. But we're not too sure yet with the waterfall because the weather here has been really bad. It's been raining so much. We're with my brother and his wife. They're following behind us.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're just going to go to Nimbin. I'm going to grab a few scent things. I don't know if anybody knows about the incense, if you use that. But it's a good day to go out anyway. Just keeping an eye on the weather. The weather at the moment.
Yeah, so we have been to Nimbin before, but you know, we just got, it's a little road trip and things, so we're gonna see what else we'll find out there, you see me?
Hopefully we have markets, we don't know.
Yeah, we might go to a waterfall, so yeah.
Let's check it out, guys. We're on a roll now. Let's go.
Let's go now.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Everybody. I think it's raining over there, right? With the clouds?
Yeah.
Where the mountain is?
Definitely.
Looks like rain. This rain's not gonna stop. It's being floody.
Yeah, heaps of rain.
Heaps of rain. But still hot, eh?
Yep. As the rain stops, it gets really hot again.
And sky, go get food, cock it fat. You know my legend. Baby, now we win the bread and give the family that. Can't cash up hands on the people that I'm my brother. And I'm a cousin, grandma, feel my fella. And I see them come here with the fighting when I'm flying like a kite. Never really go to church, but something about me feel a 19.
But there is a story to tell. It's Aboriginal land, and only people that have connections with the indigenous people can actually ask for permission to actually go up there. I know that a lot of people that climb, what do you call them, hikers? The hikers are people that climb the rocks.
Yeah.
The first one looks like a turtle.
Yeah, it does.
And the other two, I don't know exactly what they resemble, but they're definitely Aboriginal, untouched land.
Yeah.
So in order for us to get up there, we have to find who we need to see to go up there.
True. Like a chief or somebody.
Yeah, well, they call them elders.
Oh, elders they call them.
Elders. Is that what you call them?
I don't know, I'm just saying.
Jamaicans called elders?
No, Jamaicans would probably say a chief, so I'm guessing.
Oh, like a chief, right,
Yeah.
Okay. Babe, you left your mattress on the road.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to take it off.
I'm gonna say that to my brother when I get out. Hey, you left your mattress out there.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're still on our way to Nimbin, yeah?
Yeah, we're just about 2 minutes away from Nimbin.
We're now in Nimbin.
Welcome to Nimbin.
Yeah. If you guys haven't seen our last video, I mean the video that we did in Nimbin, go check that out. We'll leave that in the description. You see me? Yeah man, so here again guys, Nimbin is like the Jamaica in Australia, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, them smoke a lot of that, the thing there, you see me? Yeah, and have a lot of herbal, kind of like the Rasta them out here too, you see me?
I need a pee now.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to pee. What the hell? Oh, look, are they pawpaws, no?
Yeah, look like pawpaw tree. Yeah, banana tree there so too.
Is that corn?
Nah.
I don't know, is there like a historical thing?
Maybe.
It's slippery here. Get it on car. I know where you can go. I check out the shop. Check out that.
Oh wow. It's very colorful here, guys.
Yeah, they must have painted that, guys. That's some original art.
Yeah. It's very, very beautiful here. And it's like a tourist area as well, right?
Yes, yeah, definitely. Big in tourism, this one.
Yeah.
Byron Bay.
And big on the ganja, yeah?
Oh, it used to be bigger. Now,
Yeah.
police try to get
Them clamp down on it.
Yeah.
Alright. We're going across the road. Oh, good to go. Have some beautiful, what you call these?
They're sarongs to the beach, huh?
Oh, sarongs.
Really pretty.
Yeah, beautiful. Nice.
Keep you warm in winter.
Yeah, so these are like aboriginals where or just like
Anyone.
Oh.
They're probably most of it's from Guatemala.
Yeah. They have the tie and dye style here as well. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, the African wear.
That's nice, babe. You should get that. $60.
This one?
No, this one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
It's
Wear it with some
different.
jeans. What do you reckon, guys? You should buy it.
Let's see, there's so much to choose from.
And this one too.
Mm-hmm.
Different style.
Yeah. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah.
Oh no, Bubba wants it now.
Mm.
Yeah.
It's beautiful colors. Got these. Nice. They stuffed them with something. Oh, it's like a little bag. Oh. Yeah, these styles are different and I like them.
Oh wow, they're more like Oh, wait.
These are nice, guys. Got this one. I like this one more.
Dream pictures. Little mini ones.
Yeah.
And these are kerchiefs or bandanas, but yeah, all
Oh,
different kinds.
yeah, they look different.
Ooh, I like this one.
Yeah, the colors are nice.
Ooh, is that more like the Jamaican?
Yeah, the Rasta color.
Rasta colours.
Yeah, nice.
Lovely.
Wow. Think I might take one.
I'll take that one.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi. Babe, some of the stuff is made in Nepal. Yeah, some of these things are made in Nepal. See, made in Nepal.
Oh,
Yeah. And they call it yak.
yak.
Yak tea, yak.
You're joking.
Yeah, yak it. Yak. Well,
Oh, just like the yak.
yeah, 24.
The animal
Yeah.
called the yak.
Yeah. That's so cool. Wow. Beautiful. Alright, we'll go. Island. Island. Island's fascinated with all the bright colours. Colours. Heaps. Oh wow. handmade
Really?
leather baby shoes.
Much of those.
35. But I just want to know where they. Oh, okay, from Nimbin. Interesting. I think more for like winter. Island's being fussy, guys. You can hear him in the background. Look at these teapots. How beautiful. There's a candle factory out this way as well. You get to do your own candles and stuff as well, guys. It's lovely.
Have like the mosaic here.
Yeah, that's Aboriginal art.
Oh, okay.
Bunjalung, which is our area where we live. It's the Bunjalung tribe.
Okay.
Yeah. Every area has their own tribe.
Yeah.
When we're talking indigenous, Aboriginal. Yeah.
True.
I like this. It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice for you, baby.
So much to choose from, huh?
So much to see. So here, guys, you'll get everything hemp. Hemp clothing, creams, soaps, shampoos, all hemp made.
Okay. Everything hemp.
Yep. It represents Jamaica, but not Jamaica.
True.
You're Rastafarian.
Which one vibes do
There you guys, if you're into this, homegrown, how to grow your own ganja. Mary Jane.
So you get the idea of this place, guys.
And then the cannabis cookbooks, cooking with weed or cooking with cannabis.
Really?
Yeah, cakes and stuff.
That's crazy.
So guys, we're just in an arts gallery, as you can see, and we're just going to show you a little bit of Australian artists and what they bring to the table in regards to arts and stuff. So come on through and have a look.
Yeah, man.
Right. That's like a mosaic mixed media. Oh, Summersby's Falls.
Wow.
And so they've got like the artist name and then the price of the art.
Yeah. 400. It's beautiful, yo. This one is for 800. These things are nice.
Amazing.
Yeah, man.
Look at that teapot there.
This one?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Looks like a wooden hand.
Yeah, looks like that. So, artist of the month.
Oh, the artist of the month. Yep.
Yeah. And this is it.
Oh, beautiful. I just oh yeah.
Leader. What is that?
That looks like wax from a candle.
Yeah.
Wow. They have some really good ideas.
Yeah, these people are creative, man.
Very creative, yeah.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Wow.
So it's a ceramic glaze.
Ceramic. This is what Jamaicans would do a lot with the wood.
Oh yeah, handcrafted.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Oh, so this is the town of Nimbin.
Yes. Someone's.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
You show you how to draw at the window. Yeah, they're hand painted as well. They're all here.
All handmade. Wow. these real sharp tooth?
What does the description say? Handcrafted stone jewelry. Yeah.
Some artwork there. Oh, look at this one.
So guys, baby's here chilling
Yeah.
with the One Love,
Yeah, man. Legend there.
the legend there.
Yeah.
And now he's going to try a Turkish vine leaf. Vine leaf? Yeah.
Turkish
vine leaf, yeah.
So it's all leaf wrapped here? Or
Yeah,
something
rice inside.
Nice.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that from? Really?
It's vegetarian? Yeah,
It's different.
it's different.
It's a bit greasy. I can't describe the taste exactly, but yeah, it's different.
You really don't like it?
Not really.
So guys, baby's writing a wish on this wish tree here.
Alright guys, so we have some pizza here that we're about to have. Yeah man, can't
Wait,
wait.
the island wants to dig into it.
I tell ya.
Guys, Vinny,
Alright, let's go.
let's go.
It seems like it's about to storm as well, so we're gonna
start storming in a
we have to go shell along this fast guys. Island. Hey boy, where you going? Where are you going, mister? You'll have run up and down here. Mister. Oh, you want the key? Are you gonna open it yourself? Alright.
Watch this. Watch it.
Look at this.
Okay.
Look at this guys. Okay. You open it.
Oh, wow.
You open it with the button.
You know that it's only just for that car.
Yeah, so he's trying the next door now.
That one doesn't
That
have
one
one.
don't have a key. Oh. He's so smart, guys. Okay. Where you going now? No. Yeah, guys. So this is Nimbin. I swear. You know the funny thing is, guys. We here been walking and literally everybody been asking, "Oh, you want weed?" Asking me and Babe if we want weed. And I was telling Babe like, if this was in Jamaica, it would be the white person. They would be asking a lot like, "Oh, you want weed?" and thing like that.
I'd be
So,
asking.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It is.
Yeah, people out here, you know. But I had to get into that anyway.
Yeah.
These days feel lonely. Put you down.
You have arrived.
Alright guys, so we left Nimbin and decided so we are come at a waterfall which is called Killen Falls. Yeah, Killen Falls. Alright, so we're gonna see what it's all about. So you found this on the internet, babe?
Yeah, I just did a Google and came up with all these waterfalls around the area that we haven't visited yet. So yeah, can't wait to have a look. I don't know about swimming today because the weather's been really bad.
It's not good at all.
But yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. Alright.
We're gonna park. So welcome everyone to the country of Wijabu. So basically, just a little bit of history on the platypus, and also it talks about Bangjalang country, which is where we are, and the Widjabul people who lived in and cared for the country and the water that flows through it for many thousands of years. The land and the water are sacred to the people and the animals. You're welcome to walk this country as long as you respect it and care for it. And so we're talking about our native animals here. Beautiful. So guys, the waterfall is down here, and it's a 660 meter return, base of waterfall, 1 kilometer return. So just giving you a fitness level, people that can walk it. And there's Dad and Island.
Yeah, guys. See what it's all about.
Yeah. Island can probably walk
Take your time, mister.
down here. Island. Let's go, mister. Careful your steps. He's just full of energy. He's full of energy, guys, you know. Just burn, burn, burn. That's all I want to do. Hey?
Yeah.
Island, no, he's alright. He's
Yeah.
not gonna sit through there.
Island can't hold through here, guys, so we don't have to worry about that. Yeah. Wow.
The water's dirty
Yeah.
because the rain has been stirring up.
Wow, this look like somewhere that people probably jump off, like
real.
at times. I don't know.
Shit, man, that's scary.
Yeah. Wow.
This is absolutely crazy, guys. Looks like a cave looking over there. But we'd have to go further. Or we could shot the drone from here, babe. To see Wagwan over there. So guys, babe just found passion fruit on a tree. They're just blossoming now. There you go. Passion fruit, guys. Well, when it's nice and hot, we can always come back for a swim. Look at Daddy and Island holding hands. Good boy, Island. Don't be unruly. Hold Dad's hands.
It's gonna rain again.
Bit of a safety sign, guys, as well.
There's top fall, waterfall this way.
Yep. Came across this big tree on our way down. Babe was showing me like some fruitful trees. So yeah, let's go down. Yeah. Hey, good. Hi, Island. So what did you think they were, babe? Berries?
Some kind of berry.
Ah, okay. Oh wow. Wow, this guys reminds me of Nanny Falls.
Already, but it seems like it's a steep one going.
Oh yeah, man. Well, we're gonna do it because we're adventurers, and the island tribe want to see the whole thing, you know. Well, it reminds me of Nanny Falls, guys. This is pretty steep. Dad's got comfortable shoes, and I'm always wearing flip-flops. Oh yeah, this reminds me of Nanny Falls, something shocking. About Nanny Falls hasn't got much of a steep, what you call it? Nanny Falls doesn't have a stable fence, babe. Yeah, but I think they fixed it now, possibly. Bomba! Wow, this is really pretty. Yeah, this is something else, guys. You good, babes? Let's check on babes, see if he's alright. Oh. Where'd they go? We're walking with babes and Island through this little bush thing here, and so it's absolutely beautiful. I personally wouldn't be swimming today. The water looks really dirty. Bless me, jeez. I should say excuse me. Anyway, so this is beautiful, hey babe? If only it wasn't as muddy as it seems, my gosh. Wow.
It would have been nice if the water was clean, guys. Yeah. We didn't come to swim anyway, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I have to say one thing about Australia and the waterfalls, is when you go down a hill it's so easy, but when you go up a hill you start sweating and you feel like you want to go back down just for a swim. So guys, this is what we have to walk through.
Pure rock.
Rock and mud. So guys, we have not quite finished the waterfall lookout, but we were there, and then we still haven't really checked out this area here. So we'll definitely come back and show you guys that area, and hopefully it's a nicer day and it's not raining. But yeah, why not? You know, sky's the limit. All these tropical trees and everything. Yeah guys, so we're going to close this one off. Oh my gosh, I got a mosquito bite or a pimple there. Right. Alright guys.
Yeah. So this is where we come to the end of the show. You see me?
The end of the show.
Yeah.
The end of the show, guys. And we're going to go home. We've got about a good hour's drive home.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so it's been good.
Yeah, it's been good.
We're red.
Yeah, man.
You can't see babe, but I'm red.
Really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video.
Yeah.
Catch you in the next one.
Catch you in the next one. Bye, Bobo.
Bobo. Wave.
Bye. Love you.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. One more goodbye to the island tribe. We'll see you next time. We'll come back and walk the other track because apparently there's a creek there called Immigrant Creek or something. So we'll be back for that. Yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned. Bye. Bubble. Say bye. Oh, look at that wave, guys. Isn't he adorable? Say bye to all your aunties and uncles and grandmas and grandpas on YouTube. Yeah, very good. Daddy, any words?
Bye for now, guys. Catch you in the next one.